This is a 28-foot, 8.5 wide Pace American trailer. For its age, it is in very, very good shape. It's a 1996 model. We've got a electric tongue jack on the front of it. That box there is my battery storage. I put all this together. It's got a 12-volt master cutoff. The cables, I'm going to probably keep those, and down there's your standard 30 amp 120 breaker. I did paint the front of this with some oil-based paint, holding up extremely well. The door, I rebuilt this door. It's a 48-inch door. Put the window in it at that time. The wood in it was not good on the bottom. Pretty common on these trailers. It has the camper locks plus the lock, the solid lock like that. Inside the trailer, we've got a bathroom package. Just a wall. It's 5 feet from the front. Got a 24-inch door. It does have a spare tire compartment or storage compartment as I use it. I kept my spare tire up here. The linoleum floor we put in. It's got just a standard shelf there with a microwave on top. There's the sink and the shower and a standard commode. We've got a black tank underneath and a gray tank. The black tank is on the smaller side. The gray tank's, I think, 30 gallon, I believe. The water heater, and there's a 30-gallon freshwater tank and a pump and a water heater all stored in here. Here's a breaker panel for the 120 and a breaker panel for the 12-volt. Underside that lid is some fuses. Never had any issues there at all since I rebuilt it. Got a standard vanity there. This compartment has the air conditioner in it. It actually blows both ways. Here's your outlet to keep this compartment, the bathroom, cool, and then it blows into the other area for the other one. It's got a 12-volt light and a 110 light. Electrical plugs, 2 or 3 in here, I forget, at least 2. And as you go back, it's pretty standard. Put in an escape window on that side for safety and for light, actually. Again, it's 8.5 wide. I got the measurements for how wide it's 81 between the wheel wells, I believe. I got that wrote down. I did rebuild this rear door also. The wood in it was pretty rotten, and it actually came up into the back of this trailer. So this is all new wood under here. Where you see the carpet there, it's all new wood. Just a strap hanger there. Put a new vent in right here, skylight vent. Again, it's an older trailer, being a 1996, but very solid condition. It's got the aluminum wheels and like new tires. Those were put on August of 21, so 11, 12 months, or 13 or 14 months ago. 5,200 pound axles, give it a 10.4 GVW. The paint, everything's pretty solid. There again, considering its age, since I've owned the trailer, I've had it inside. There's your water fill. Messed up there when I first did it. This is a main frame here, so I moved the water fill over once I started into that. There you can see the drain, the tanks and stuff under there. It's a 28-foot enclosed trailer, 8.5 wide, with a bathroom package in it. I've got title in hand. This trailer is for sale.